Hey everyone, it's Megan. Today I'm excited to share a unique way to add a touch of grunge and texture to your cyanotype prints. We'll be using these spotted mica sheets. These aren't your typical shiny mica sheets. These ones are mostly clear with these incredible random black markings, spots, lines, and speckles that truly create a unique look. These square sheets are perfect for adding a touch of grunge to geometric patterns or arrangements. You can use these more random pieces to scatter around for a more organic or chaotic feeling in your image. I'm using my 16-inch by 20-inch floating frame, which conveniently lets me make two prints at the same time. Let's head outside and let the sun do its thing. It usually takes a few minutes for the paper to properly expose, but this can vary depending on the sunlight. It will be ready when the blued paper has turned pale green or almost white. After exposure, gently rinse your prints in water to remove any excess chemicals. Then, a quick dip in a water and hydrogen peroxide bath will reveal those rich, vibrant blues. Once they're dry, you'll be amazed by the grunge texture and depth that the spotted mica adds to your cyanotypes. It's a simple way to elevate your art and create truly one-of-a-kind pieces. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more creative tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.